What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the way to use your old school stereo system and be able to use your phone with keeping your stock radio, which I like the look. I like the look of my stock radio, so I didn't want to switch it out. I like all the looks old school. I like it. I like kind of keeping it original. So I will show you how I did it. So go ahead and turn the accessories on. So basically all you have to do is I'll leave a link down in the description to this, but it's a little FM transmitter. And back in the day, my dad had one of these for his iPod. His was like an iPod, like one of those old school iPods, and that was terrible. So I was a little leery on this. I thought it was going to be pretty bad, but I am shocked at how well this little thing performs. So it just plugs right in here, right into the cigarette lighter. And this one also has a USB port, which is kind of nice, so you can charge your phone as well. There's a couple different ones. There's one that is battery powered, that you have to recharge. I went with this one just because basically I don't mind the cables. It doesn't bother me. So just to have power all the time. So basically all you have to do is you set the range, the number of the stereo of the station that you want to broadcast through, basically. So I have 90.1. So you go to your radio here, and then you go to 90.1. And then all you do is you plug your phone in. So just plug my phone in here, and then let's get a song. Music. Go to Battlefield. And then you have your coming through the radio. And it sounds like awesome. So I was pretty shocked. I was expecting it was going to be very staticky and all that stuff. When you drive around, it would lose connection. But I found 90.1 works perfect for me, and the sound quality is awesome. Like just the same as listening to the radio, which is really awesome. And it was like, I think it was $12. This thing was like $12 on Amazon. So I'll leave a link down in the description for this little guy too, in case you guys are like me and you like the stock radio look and you don't want to change up to a fancier one. I think it just looks better, at least in the Jeep anyway. Maybe like a nice touchscreen one would look kind of cool, but this was just a quick easy thing versus me, because I had before I was just using so this is a 2001, so I was just I had made a bunch of CDs and kind of got tired of making CDs. So I thought I would just give this a shot, and it seems to work really great. So I would definitely recommend it if you guys are looking for something similar to this. I know when I was looking at buying this, there were 0 reviews, 0 like, hey, it's good, it's bad. So I just kind of wanted to share with you guys that for me it works awesome. So I would definitely recommend, and it's got a nice charger, so you can charge your phone too, which is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down, and I'll see you guys in the next video.